Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you all are having a great day so far. So today on my desk, I have a Matco 1/4 inch flex head ratchet that skips teeth. So in today's video, I will be replacing the gear mechanism inside this ratchet with replacement parts from this kit here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. We will begin by removing the snap ring from the head of the ratchet. And move this plate from side to side until it is released. We will carefully remove this rod and spring out of place, and we can carefully remove the switch from the front of the housing, and the switch should slide out of place like shown. For reassembly, we will start by placing this small gasket around the new switch, confirming the gasket sits flush in the channel around the switch, then reinstalling the switch through the back of the head until it is flush with the base of the head and the switch is pushed all the way through. From there, we can install our new spring and new cover directly into the hole of the switch as shown here, and we can install the new gasket into the groove of this gear, and making sure it is flush within the channel. From there, you can move the switch into the middle position, place the new pawl with this side facing up with the indent facing upwards, and you will place pressure on this pawl while holding it back so that you can move the gear into place. As shown here, once that is complete, we can reinstall the faceplate and install the new snap ring into its position, just like so. And from here, you can test the head for functionality. And there you have it. That was a complete ratchet gear mechanism replacement on this Matco 1/4 inch flex head ratchet. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments below, and please consider subscribing as it helps the channel a lot. But in any case, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day. Take care.